I'm Jordan.
And I'm Levi. We're Bendy Knees Design Company.
And we're painting a mural for the Cullman, Alabama store.
If I didn't have Jordan, I'd probably do regular size paintings or just canvas paintings.
If I'm gonna paint, I need it to be large scale. Like, I don't wanna do it on that small canvas over there, you know?
And I love pushing all of my energy in a small direction.
So she does do that on a mural, and I'm like, come back here. Like, you can't see that.
So it's a nice balance. Because I don't wanna say perfectionist, but I do.
You're the notch below.
At this Lowe's, a couple that works there, the husband found out he had cancer and passed away very quickly. So we disguised his initials in the mural. I think for me it was really important because it is representative of the community, and it just kind of goes back to the core of, like, we do this for people.